Hello everyone. So today we will see how we can use Google Form in creating our worksheet. So for that, first of all, click on Chrome, then type drive.google.com, press enter. You will see your Google Drive will appear on the screen. Now click on Drive, click on More, and you will find Google Forms option over here. Click on that. Wait for it till the files get loaded. Now see, this Google Form will appear on the screen. There is another way also. Close this window, open, click on Google Chrome, and you can directly write Google Form and press enter. And click on this. Go to Google Form. This is also another way by which you can open your Google Forms. Now click on blank document to start your new form, and you will see a new form appear over here. Now suppose I want to create an assignment for table manners, and this is basically the thing by which this is the name by which you are going to save your file. Let us say I am going to save my file with the name VOM. Now I want to add a question. So for that, first of all, I want to make it a quiz. So go on settings, click over here, then click on this first option, quizzes, select it and make this as a quiz, and select this option immediately after summation, missed questions, correct, and just remove this point values so that student will not be able to see the marks. And now click on save. So now this form will be as a quiz. Now suppose your first question was, you have to select the things which can be kept on the table. This is my question, and you can see there is a small box over here. This is basically used to insert the image. Click on that and click on browse option and click on the place where you have saved your images. See, I have saved it in downloads. So now click on table, open, wait till the file this picture gets uploaded. Now see, you can see the picture of table has been uploaded here. Now you students, now click on this option and you will see there are many options. So click on check boxes. Now again click on first option, click on this box and insert the image. Now see, suppose I have selected this plate, open, write the name plate, press enter key, you will find the second option. Again click on this picture button, browse, select the picture. Let's say I've selected shoes. Yes, now change the name, write down shoes over here, select, press enter, again select one more picture, browse. Suppose now I'd selected this toy, write down toys, press enter, select one more picture, again click on browse, select one more picture, let's say glass, click on open, change the name, write down glass. So in this way we can select many more images by pressing enter and inserting the images. Now click on answer key and select whatever is the right answer. Let us say, what are the things which can be kept on table? It's plate and glass. Keep the point 0 only, because we are not going to show the marks to the students, so no need to change, to make any changes in this point, and click on done. So now if I want to add one more question, click on this, one more section will be added. Section, here you will find one more section, just click on it, erase the name and write down the second question, and this way, like first question was table manners, in the same way the second question can be written over here, and like this I have added the question in the same way. Now you can click on this plus sign to add more question. So now you will get the option over here to write more questions. So once this entire thing has been done, now your this form has been created. Now to attach this form in your Google Classroom, just click on, just open your Google Classroom. Let's say I'd open trial class. Now click on classwork, click on create and select the option quiz assignment. Now give the title table manners, and here topic you have to select VOM, create topic, write down VOM. Just delete this blank quiz, click on add, select Google Drive, and see, you will see different forms over here. The one I have made, it is with name VOM. I click on it and press enter. Now my Google form has been attached. Now it is being saved and assign. Assign means if you want to send the Google form the next day, you can click on schedule and you can select day when you want to send it and plus the time, at what time you want the students should get this form, or if you want immediately students should receive this worksheet, so you can assign. Click on assign. Now that form has been assigned to the students. Now I will show you how this form will appear to the students. I have entered with a student ID. Now this I am going to enter like a student in that classroom. Now this is my classroom. I'll open it and I'll find a notification like Mona had posted a new assignment, table manners. I'll click on it and see this is a form which I got. I'll again click on it to open it and see. Now this is the form which appear on my screen as a student. Now over it is written, select the things which we should keep on the table. So let us select the right answer. I selected glass, I selected plate, and suppose I selected toys also. Now I'll see what will happen. I click on submit. This is the part on student side and I will see view accuracy. Click on that and this is the result which will be shown on my screen. See, it is showing I done something wrong in the question. See, glass it was right, plate it was right, and option 4 it is wrong. You are supposed to write name also over here like I did it here. Shoes, glass, plate, write the name over here also, right? So these two are the right answer and rest this third one was wrong. So this is the way how student can and at the same time can see what all questions he or she attended was right and what was wrong.